Alright, welcome back guys. So today I'm out here with the Akaso Brave, and this is a follow-up video to the review that I did, which you can check out here. In that video I didn't show you guys the improved audio sound, so I'm going to be doing that now. And I'll also be using the Akaso Brave. Well, it's not the Akaso Brave mic, but it's an Akaso Lav mic that is compatible with all of their action cameras. So I'll be showing you the difference between the sound that comes out from the internal mic, which is supposedly improved, and this here, as well as testing out this little remote to see how it works. I'm going to start recording. Right now you're hearing the sound coming out of my cell phone, and I have it connected to a mic, so that's the sound you're hearing now. But I'm going to go ahead and start recording with the Akaso Brave 7, and you'll start to hear the audio that's directly being recorded from the internal mic. So let's see how it sounds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so it should be recording right now. This is the sound coming out from the Akaso Brave 7 internal microphone. As I mentioned already, this is the improved version, the 2023 firmware update, upgraded version. So this is how it sounds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2, 1 2 check, 1 2 check. Now I'm not sure if you can hear the background noise of anything like the birds or the wind blowing on the trees, but yeah, this is how it sounds. Hopefully it is improved, and yeah, that's how it sounds. Some leaves blowing there, not sure if you heard that. Let's see if you can hear anything of the background noise here. All of the birds chirping. Yeah, I believe it has an omnidirectional internal microphone, so you should be able to hear all of the surround. There's a plane passing by overhead. Not sure if you could hear that. I don't know if that microphone is that good. Hopefully it is. So yeah, this is the audio that comes out of the internal microphone, which Akaso has recently improved through a firmware upgrade. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and connect this onto my shirt, and now we'll see how it sounds. Hopefully it doesn't create any interference with the other microphone that I have on. I'm going to remove the other one. Alright, so I have the other one in my hand. Alright, so now that I have it connected, I'm going to go press record, and let's see how the Lav mic sounds. Alright, so now you should be hearing the audio coming from the lavalier mic that's connected to the Akaso Brave 7. And yeah, not sure if you can hear also the background noises like the birds chirping and the leaves swaying in the wind. Hopefully you can. So yeah, this is how it sounds. Microphone check 1 2, 1 2, microphone check. And this is what it sounds like with the Lav mic connected to the Akaso Brave 7. So yeah, so that's how the audio sounds like coming from the lavalier microphone that you can purchase separately. It doesn't come with the Akaso Brave 7, unfortunately. And like I mentioned in the video review of the Akaso Brave 7, you can only connect it to Akaso cameras. You can't connect this Lav mic to any other action camera, which kind of sucks. I understand they're trying to do like the Apple thing where, you know, it has to be compatible only with Apple products. Alright, so now let's test this little thing here. I have it turned on. Let me turn it off. So you turn it on and you'll see the time displayed on the screen. Now this is not the correct time. I haven't set it yet, so yeah, I'll have to do that later on. So to record video, right now I have it on video record, and if I want to change it from video camera to camera, you just tap here on this button here, and you'll see that it changes, the icon changes to the camera, and over here you see the camera icon too, which lets you know that you're in camera mode. So if I tap it again, you'll see the video mode is on the top, the icon appears on the top. So that's how you distinguish you know, which mode you're in. So to record, being that we have it on video mode right now, is this button here. You just tap on it and it starts to record. Right here you have the red dot blinking on and off, which means you're currently recording, and you can see it here on the remote that it's already recording, and it starts to do, you know, the countdown thing or the count up. And to stop recording, you just press it again, and let's go to take a picture. Now we're in picture mode or camera mode, and to take a picture you just simply tap on it, and you already heard that, and it tells you how many pictures you've taken. So I just took one picture, so if I take another picture, I've taken 2 pictures. So yeah, that's basically how the Akaso Brave works with this remote controller wirelessly. And you also can charge it, which is, that's the good thing about it, that it doesn't have a you know, a battery that you have to replace every often. It has an internal battery, and you can just charge it here using the USB cable that comes included in the box. So that's cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place the Akaso Brave 7 over there, around 10 meters or so, and see how far the remote controller works with it. Alright, let's see if I can place it around here. And I'll place it right here. Alright, so right now it's on. Yeah, it's on. So let's see how far the signal can go. Alright, so I have the Akaso Brave 7 placed right behind here, which is around 10 meters, I believe. And right now I have it on video mode. So I can switch right now to camera mode, so I'm going to switch it back. So that's good, that's working. Now let me see if it can record at this distance. So I press record, and I don't know if it's recording or not. I believe it is. Maybe if I move it towards it. Let me see. Okay, I think it's recording, I'm not sure. I don't see it. It's just blinking. I think I'm too far away. So let's move it up to see if maybe if I go closer, see how close I have to be before it changes. Let me go here. Alright, let me turn it off, turn it back on. It's not recording. If I move over here. Yeah. Doesn't seem like it has that much of a distance. So I'm gonna move closer. Right here. It's only like a meter or two. So it's recording. I'm going to stop that. Move back. Let's see if I can record it from here. Okay, it's recording again. It's recording again. Oh, just lost connection. Every time it loses connection, it just, these 4 digits pop out, 8888, which means it's not connected. So if I go closer, now I'm closer to it, it starts recording again. So yeah, so it seems like anything farther than this, let me see. It's still recording. I'm gonna move back here. Seems like it's still recording. Let me see something. Yeah, it lost connection. So yeah, well, now it's connected again. Well, that's pretty far. It's maybe like, 5 meters. Alright, so I turned it off. I'm just gonna move back a little bit more. Battery on my phone is dying, so I'm trying to do this quickly. And also, you have to have it pointed to it. Alright, so record. Yeah, so it doesn't like to be that far away. So you have to be a little bit closer to it for it to get connection to it. Yeah. Well, anyway, so that's basically how far you can go with it. Not that far at all. Basically, that's all for this video. Thanks so much again for tuning in and watching it. Like I said, it was just a follow-up to show you guys how the internal mic sounds on the Akaso Brave 7, and if it has been improved, if you find that it sounds better than the previous version they put out, let me know in the comments. Definitely want to know if it sounds better or not. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Check you guys out on the next one. God bless.